Hey there, it's Scott, the Quilting Camper, and guess what time it is? It's time to do the unboxing of the Sew Sampler box by Fat Quarter Shop for April 2024. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back! I am so grateful that you decided to join me on this unboxing of the ever so famous Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box for April 2024. I am so thrilled to present that to you, but before we get started, I want to let you know what I did last week. I went to the HH America show in Rosemont, Illinois, as I did last year, but this year it was a lot bigger. I got to meet some incredible Moda fabric designers, some really great people in the industry. I went with one of my favorite sewing machine dealers, Rosemary from Bigsby Sewing here in Elm Grove. I also want to give a huge thanks to my friend Kate Leroy from Barn Door Quilts in Door County, Wisconsin. I just adore her, and she has helped me so much in motivating this energy that I have with the Quilting Camper. I couldn't be more grateful. I got to wear this cool badge, and the little lanyard strap is made by Riley Blake. I got a little button from Creative Grids. I mean, it was such a hoot. And I got a bunch of samples and fun things to share. Got a cool bag with my Bernina love for button over here. I loved it. I got to talk to some people at Bernina and Burnett. It was a lot of fun. I also got to see my favorite educator, Katrina, from SVP International, which is Fop Viking singer. Anyway, I'm going to do a cool overview video of my experience at HH Americas, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so for those of you that do not know what the Sew Sampler box is, it is a subscription box from Fat Quarter Shop. It is offered monthly. You do have to sign up for it to be enrolled, and once you're accepted, it comes to $29.99 per month plus shipping and tax. Here in Wisconsin, with shipping and tax, it comes to about $36. You usually double the value in the box. This month's box is about $75, $76 worth of things in here. It's really exciting. There's always a theme in this box. This month's theme is Enchanted. Let's just dispose everything out of the box before we get started. This always happens to me. If you watch my videos, you know this is a common occurrence. Okay. I think it's my masculine energy, I'm not sure. I just bring a whole new world to this world of quilting and sewing. This month's theme is Enchanted in April. And what's cool about this month's box is it starts a whole new year, because the block of the month that we ended in March gets to start new with a new designer and a new 12 box going forward. And I get to show you that pattern in this video today. So there's a couple really cool specials on the back side that I cannot show you in this video. You receive $10 off a $50 purchase using a promo code, and also 25% off of my Sew Quilty Life pattern. And I might add, there's a very cute picture of Kimberly Jolly on the inside. She is so sweet, and she actually has a cute little note in there as well. I love it. Kimberly, you're awesome. I know this is their 8th year anniversary for Sew Sampler box. I couldn't be more happier for them, because this is the most successful crafting, quilting, sewing box on the market, you guys. All right, and then this is what it looks like on the back side. I'm just covering the QR codes. Get the box so you can find out what you can save money on. All right. Every single box has this wonderful little leaflet that you saw pop out of my box before we got started. And I love the work that goes into it. And of course, everything's upside down when I do that. I don't know why I do that. But anyway, it's a really wonderful information piece. And I will be reciting the descriptions on here as we go through the items in the box. And please mind you guys, I do not know why I'm sweating like crazy. So when I record videos in my studio here, I have to turn off the AC, the fans, everything, so I don't have distracting noise. And unfortunately, the lights that are just LEDs are causing some heat, and I think my body thinks it's really warm, and it's not. It's not warm at all. Okay, let's get started. The first item in the box is super cute. The So Happy Enamel Needle Minder will draw you in with its cheerful color and darling design. Created by Heather Briggs of My Sew Quilty Life to match her Bobbin Blooms quilt. Featuring a friendly flowering bloom from a bobbin, this minder will keep your pins and needles in check, or use it to hold your quilt pattern to stand as you sew. The value of this is $11.98. Super cute. I love getting these. It really helps you keep your needles in check. You can put it on your shirt. There's a magnet behind it and your needles can go there, especially if you do like hand stitch for binding. So it's a really great item in the box. They're always fun to get. The next item is super helpful, and I noticed that they've done this before. This is the So Creative Quilting Journal by Fat Quarter Shop. Let your creativity flower and flow with the So Creative Quilting Journal by Fat Quarter Shop. With the gridded and lined pages, you can sketch and record your quilty ideas in this beautifully bound hardcover notebook, or use it for any other crafty pursuit. After all, it lets you be so creative. It's a value of $10.98. And it's really cute, you guys. And if you don't use it for quilting, it's really great for jotting notes and ideas, because you've got quadrille on one side and then you have lines on the other. Really great for sketching out quilt ideas, which is something I'm starting to do because I want to make my own patterns. Yes, you've heard that. So I might actually be using this for that purpose. I love getting stuff like this in a box. I wouldn't think of buying this in a store, but because it's in my box, now it's kind of inspiring me to want to create my own designs and use it for journaling. And also, it's a high quality product. It's got a little band in there to keep it shut. Love this. Sometimes not getting another spool of thread or set of needles, something like this is a little bit more special, and I like this. So thanks for the innovation, Fat Quarter Shop. The next item in here is one of my favorite companies, and it's local here in Wisconsin in Richfield, and it's called Crafty Clutch Quilt As You Go Kit by June Taylor. Here we go. Love these. These are the best things ever. Create your own beautiful notion keeper with the Crafty Clutch Quilt As You Go kit by June Taylor. This kit includes Sew on the Line printed stabilizer and one white zippity-doo-dah done zipper. Try it with a Flower Girl 6-piece fat quarter bundle included in this month's box, or pull scraps from your stash. It's valued at $8.98. What I really like about these, it's almost like foundation paper piecing. You get your stabilizer and you just sew your fabric right onto it, but you leave it in place because that becomes the stabilizing thickness for the bag or the product that you're making. It's pretty cool. It's a great value. It even comes with this really easy zipper that is easy to insert. I mean, anybody can do a zipper with this type of zipper. You don't even use a zipper foot. It's pretty cool. Although, we've talked about zipper feet, you guys. If you learn how to use your zipper foot on your machine, it will make you soar with creativity and ingenuity. I know people are intimidated by zipper feet, I get it, but they are so useful. I think once you figure out how to do it, you'll love it. So don't ever underestimate your zipper foot on your sewing machine. All right, block number 1, here we go. And I love it because it is a partial churn dash block. Churn dash is my signature block for the Quilting Camper. Block number 1. Feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Basket Quilt. This sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming artfully unique quilt. Get your Peaceful Basket Quilt Kit for unforgettable keepsake while supplies last. This pattern is valued at $4.98. Please, if you do get these boxes, or if you want to get these designs, because they will have them on the Fat Quarter Shop website, you can get the finishing kit right now. That's something to kind of keep in mind. Finishing kits are not available usually by the time the 12th block comes, which is the 12th month, which will be next March. So if you're interested in this quilt and you like some of the blocks that you're seeing, get the finishing quilt kit now. The quilt pattern in the box, and it's valued at $9.98. Bob and Bloom's Quilt Pattern by Heather Briggs of My So Quilty Life. The Bob and Bloom's quilt is a picturesque quilt that is freshly cut from Heather Briggs' enchanted garden. She often features spools and bobbins in her designs, and she has designed this Fat Quarter Shop exclusive pattern to reflect on her new fabric in her signature style. You can create this with the Fat Quarter Shop bundle included in this month's box for an utterly enchanted quilt. Limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. These two, if you want to do the finishing kit on these patterns, but these are exclusive to the Fat Quarter Shop, so sampler boxes, you'll have to get that on the website as well. And this is valued at $9.98. That's a great value to get a quilt pattern. If you never use the patterns in these boxes, put them away in a box someplace. Have like a file. You might be inspired to use this someday, or as you start connecting with other people that do quilting, there might be somebody that you know that will like this even more than you. So hang on to it for something as a surprise. Bob and Bloom's Flower Girl Fat Quarter Bundle. by My So Quilty Life for Moda Fabrics. We are enchanted with all new things that come with spring, including this fragrant new fabric line from Moda Fabrics. Flower Girl is a debut collection from Heather Briggs of My So Quilty Life, blooming with a variety of sweet flowers and classic stripes and plaids. Soft yellows, greens, and pink shade the prints in this curated 6-piece fat quarter bundle for soothing range that will naturally lead you to your sewing room. Valued at $25.48. Let's go through the fabric, shall we? Beautiful. These fabric bundles that you get inside your Sew Sampler boxes are unbelievable. Fat Quarter Shop usually gets fabric designers from Moda, Riley Blake, Robert Kaufman, and some other people like Tula Pink. And I really, really like the range of designers that they put in this box. Moda is one of my favorite fabric design companies out there. I just really appreciate the artists. And when I went to HH Americas, I got to meet some of those artists in person. And I thought I was a little kid in a candy store. They might have thought I was a little wacky, but I got to meet Robin Pickens and I got to meet Layla Boutique designer Vanessa Gertzen. Oh my gosh, so amazing. I am so grateful that those people are here creating amazing content for Moda Fabrics so we can all enjoy. And what I love about Moda is that this is not just fabric, there are people behind this. There's actual people that put a lot of work into this so we can enjoy it while we create a quilt or we do our piecing. And just remember, while you're doing that and using this fabric, that those people have a life just like you do, and they're sharing what's really important to them. As I always say on this YouTube channel, it's important for us to share things with each other. And that's what really connected me with that show last week. I will post a video about my experience at the show, but I wanted to share that little moment with you. I absolutely love this fabric. It's nice and delicate, great for spring and summer. I can't wait to use it. I'm not going to do this pattern in a box, but I definitely will use this fabric in another pattern. The other additional exclusive item that's in this box is a sticker from Fat Quarter Shop, and it's the sticker of the block of the month, valued at $2.98. Okay. I do like getting stickers. I do have to admit, I was in Door County, Wisconsin with my mother this past weekend, and they do sell stickers for Door County that sell for $4. High quality stickers do cost money. I'm not going to add this to the total of the box, but I do love having it. It kind of makes me feel like I can put it somewhere important, and I really like the block. So, all right. So what do you guys think? Does this box enchant you for the month of April? I know it's the month of May, but does it still enchant you? I think it's a beautiful box. I love the journal. I love the fabric from Moda in here. I love the projects from June Taylor. They're always one of my favorite things to get in these boxes. The sticker is super cute and the patterns are fun. I mean, this is a fun box to get. It's like a little gift to yourself every month. I highly encourage you to go on their website and check it out if you're interested in doing this monthly subscription. I'm gonna do it for another year and I'm gonna deliver the boxes every month to you. It may be a month later, but you're still gonna get a video from me. I just get a little busy sometimes, and somehow I skipped December, January, and February. I will probably be planning a video span to see, is the Fat Quarter Shop box worth for 3 months of a subscription? I can honestly tell you it's worth it for years of a subscription, and I think that you'll agree once you start. Once again, you guys, this is not a sponsored video. I pay for all my boxes. I have no affiliation with Fat Quarter Shop whatsoever. I was hoping to see Kimberly Jolly at the HH America show. One of these years I will, and it will be special. I did get to meet some amazing designers from Moda. And I also, from afar, got to see Lori Holt from Riley Blake Designs. That was way cool. I didn't get to go on Thursday and Friday. I would have met Tula Pink on Thursday, and one of the influencers I really admire is MX Domestic. They were there on Friday. I would have loved to have met them all. It would have been so exciting. I even just saw that the people from Missouri Quilt Star were there. It's a big show. It's really a trade show for fabric, crafts, and yarns, but it's also open up to social media influencers, and it's just a fun place to gather and have fun. Just like my YouTube channel. I hope you feel the same way. Once again, everybody, thank you for joining me here on the Quilting Camper. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I also like to, if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm still trying to get my YouTube channel to grow, and the only way to grow it is to get subscriptions. So please share my content if you think somebody would like it. By giving me a thumbs up, it tells the world and YouTube that I am somebody that's worthwhile watching. And comments below. Don't ever feel like you have to leave a comment. Most of the time there isn't one. But I know one of these days somebody will leave a comment and it will be really amazing. And I just want you to know that I'm thinking about you. There's a lot of wild things going on in the world, and the only way that we can connect with each other is through our creativity of sharing. And that's why I do this. That's why I have this channel. And also, I have been updating my blog little by little, catching up in the past, just to kind of get my life back together. So check me out on thequiltingcamper.com. That is my blog where you'll see all my latest updates, my journey, adventures. I just prefaced a quilt show that I went to in McWanago, Wisconsin back in March. Also just posted another post in there recently, but if I could remember what I did yesterday, I would tell you. I'm always a work in progress here, you guys, as we all are personally, I'm sure. So thanks again for joining me here on the Quilting Camper. I love it when you come and watch my videos. Please leave a comment below on what you think about this month's box. What's your favorite item? I would love to hear from you all. And stay tuned for the HH Americas recap. And have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. The So Happy Enamel Needle might... What did I say? I want to say needle minder, and it's not. It's a needle minder. And whoever came up with the word needle minder needs to have their syntax checked, because it's too easy to say needle minder. So maybe that's what it should be called. Okay, let's try this again. Moda is one of my fabrics. Moda is one of my favorite fabrics, as I've expressed in my other Moda is one of my favorite fabrics. Moda is one of my favorite fabrics. Moda is one of my favorite. I brought that word back from the past. Okay. Welcome back. I'm so grateful that, oh my god, that looks so weird. Let me tell you how grateful I am. This is so weird. Let's not do that. Oh. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.